Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. Turo Advice. There's much advice I can give you, but one of the advice for this video, I'm going to say, always do your best to be equal and fair and nice, and keep the same level of energy with any Turo guest you meet. If it's multiple, doesn't matter if it's one person and they're with their spouse or a friend, do your absolute best when there's two people in front of you to have the same energy with both as much as you can. I don't care if they're male, female, opposite sex, same sex, I don't care. Keep the same energy. So what this does essentially is you don't want to seem like you're being nicer to one guest than the other. That could be looked at as like maybe you like the person and you don't like the other person. Even if their name's on the reservation, the other person's name's not on the reservation, you want to do your absolute best. This might be this person's boyfriend or girlfriend or husband or wife, and you don't want to cause problems. This might seem crazy, but you'd be surprised. Sometimes people bicker about this, like, hey, he was kind of flirting with you, or she was kind of flirting with you, or so. Do your best. There's nothing you can do to control that, but do your best to be as impartial as possible and fair, where you're equally nice to both people. Doesn't matter if they're friends or family, so that way they feel mutual respect. Always do it. Don't be nicer to one person just because you feel more comfortable with one person. Do your best to be nice to both people and keep the same level of energy. Highly recommend. That's Turo Advice 101. Carlin out.